Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to turn on the DJI FPV Drone. I can't really show you the telemetry, unfortunately, because I only have my phone, but I'll show you how to turn on the DJI FPV Drone on. So, you press and hold this. Then same thing with the goggles. Press hold. And then same thing with the FPV Drone. Then it makes this noise. Race car like. Then the goggles turn on. Now, unfortunately, I can't really show you telemetry because it's really stuck on there, but I'll show it to you once I get more equipment in here. But that's how you turn it on. And to how to turn on that FPV drone, you just push the stick inward and out, and then the props will spin. And then you just lift this for the drone to go up, down, and then this is for the throttle up and down. This is altitude down. So I'll go ahead and post and soon about the settings on the DJI goggles, and we'll show it to you. Peace.